We have seen a good drop yesterday across gold and silver, but still both got the support at 1840 and 1702 levels. Now, what is going to happen today? Which position you should take in order to make profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. And do press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the latest update. The next video on gold will be up before the US cash session. Do watch that also. Let's start the day. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. And on the hourly charts, if you look at, see, it is still trying to trade bullish, it is still trying to remain bullish. And if you see the hourly charts, it is a very bullish formation here. Yes, it has got the support, it is trying to rise. So one thing, if it fails to break past this zone at 1725, till the time it trades below 1725, possibility of it to retrace again on the downside till towards 1715, 1710 exists. Right now it is trading above the crucial support at 1715, which is a very good support. Sustaining above this, possibility of it to strike 1720, 25 levels exist. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is coming to overbought zone. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move, and the RSI too is looking upwards. Likewise, if you look at the 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts, this is a rhythmic pattern, and it is seen a rise. See, after such a candle, after such a formation, in general it tries to give you a red candle, but this time it is trying to remain bullish here, and probably once it sustains above 1715 comfortably, this zone is important. It is going to hit 1720, the next resistance, and beyond that 1724, 25 levels. The directional movement bullish, stochastic looking upwards, that is bullish, and the MACD is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move again. RSI too is looking bullish here. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, here, see, again I should consider this is a classical formation, a rise, minor retracement, rise, then lower highs, and it is trying to trade in this channel. So I'll be watchful till 1710 today. I'll be watchful of this zone at 1710, 1708 till the time it trades above 1708 today. I will not recommend you to take any position, or rather, if you are comfortable, do not short anything till 1705. Till the time it trades above 1705, possibility for it to hit 1720, 25, and in fact this time it can achieve higher highs till towards 1735 exist. Directional movement bullish, it has just crossed over. The stochastic is trading oversold and now trying to rise from here. The MACD is again trading into green territory, and RSI too is showing some bullishness looking upwards. On the 4 hour charts, see, on the 4 hour charts, previous two candles you can watch out, almost double highs are done. And if you look at the formation here, almost forming a symmetry of what we had seen earlier. So what we had seen earlier, it is trying to stabilize in this zone, and then the next direction, whichever direction it gives you a breakout, it could be the decisive move which we are waiting for. Right now it is trying to still trade sideways between 1725, 1705 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is at bottom, trying to rise from here. MACD is trying to converge, and RSI is looking upwards. On the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. Look at the daily charts here. 3 candles getting precisely the resistance at same levels, 1728, 1727 zone. This time it has got a flat bottom, and it has also crossed over half the candle size of the previous candle. Now I will watch if it breaks beyond 1718, possibility of it to retrace till towards 1728, and 1735.40 also exists. This time it can give you a stronger green candle. So I will watch for, if it sustains above 1715 comfortably, we can expect first target at 1720, next target 1724, 25, then 1728, and then 1735 and 40 levels can also be expected. If it breaks 1728, 30, 40 levels can be expected today in gold. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is looking upwards and it's bullish. MACD is waiting for a crossover. I will be careful there. If it crosses over, definitely a stronger bullish move can be expected. RSI looking upwards. Considering this, till the time it trades above 1708 today, I will not recommend you to short or sell gold. Till the time it trades above 1708, every drop is a good opportunity to buy. The target should be 1720 and 1724, 1730. In fact, this time it can hit 1735 and 40 levels. 40 is going to be a stronger resistance for the day. On the downside, if it breaks below 1708, still 1705 is a support, 1700 is a support, and if it breaks 1700, then it is going to give you another round of fall till towards 1695, 1690 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Short or sell only below 1708 till the time it trades above. You can remain bullish. Take your positions accordingly. And if you want to learn the same art of trading profitably, taking right entries at right exits, you can join my mentorship batch. 15 days, 90 minutes daily. Lifetime support is what you get. Definitely it will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Next batch starting on 12th of September. 90 minutes daily live sessions and recordings are also available with you for reference. Do reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also join my Telegram channel. Also join my Patreon page. The Patreon site link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now silver on the hourly charts you can find out. See, it has formed a double top. It has formed the highs there. 1870 again giving it a little resistance there. 1875 rather I will say. Previously also 1875 has given it a resistance. It is trying to retrace from these levels. Be cautious of 1875, 1880. If it sustains above 1880, definitely we can call for a stronger bullish move, which might take it till towards 1900, 1920. Those who watched my weekly analysis, I told you 1875, 1880 zone is going to be stronger resistance. Now see, it is trading in this bullish channel. Only bearishness confirmation is if it trades below 1850 and then 1840 levels. We'll try to find out the more details. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought, hence it can retrace a little. The MACD has just crossed over. It is divergent and bullish. RSI is near to the top there. On the 2-hour charts, after such a formation, a pullback has to be expected. See, only if it trades below 1855, you can expect that we may see 1850, 1840 levels. These two are going to be very strong support zones on the upside. Also, it has formed a double top. Possibility of it to retrace exists, but till the time it trades above 1840, I will not confirm the bearishness there. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is into overbought zone. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and the RSI is looking upwards near to top. On the 3-hour chart, similar is the formation. Just be cautious of this zone. If it breaks out beyond 1875, just stay long there. Just remain in a buy position and then you can expect it to fly more. So see, 1875, 1880. Once it breaks beyond 1880, the target is still towards 1900 levels and 1910, 1920. 1920 is going to be a good resistance. So beyond 1880, yes, you can stay long. In between 75-80, you have to exercise a little caution. So yes, you can go long at 1875, but be cautious of 1880 levels. On the downside, you can go short at 1855, then 1850, 1840. These are the two levels you should watch out for. Below that, it may directly lend to 1820 levels. Directional movement bullish and divergent. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is in green and divergent. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, so this is a bullish formation, and yes, it is trying to form a double top. Be cautious of 1875, above which you can expect 1900, 1910, 20 levels. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI looking upwards too. And on the daily charts, it is a formation which indicates we may see similar size of candles. So from 1800 to 1850, from 1850 to 1900. So yes, there is a possibility for it to rise for 1900 and beyond levels are possible. 1910, 1920 can be expected. Directional movement trying to converge. Stochastic trying to enter into overbought levels. The MACD has just crossed over. It is divergent and bullish, and RSI looking upwards. Considering this, one can remain long on gold, on silver till the time it trades above 1850 today. Only short entry is below 1850. You can expect below that 1840, 1820 levels to provide a support. Below 1820 only we can expect it to drop. Above 1850 till the time it remains, target is still towards 1875, 1880, 1900. Then 1910 and 1920 levels. Take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Possibility of a bullish move exists and it can see a rise till the time it trades above 1850. Yes, you can expect it to rise. Take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch, join my pattern page. The pattern page link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Join my Telegram channel. There you will get all the updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.